it's raining. It's raining. It's cold, cold, cold. It is 4:30 a.m. at SDSU. I stayed at school for a night to finish up some work. Only 2 more weeks of school left, so gonna be very busy. And I'm trying not to be lazy. It's really cold. And it's raining. I actually like staying in school this late. Better than being at home. But now I have to go home. And I'll be back in a few hours. So much for my good night's sleep. What the heck? No, I'm not taking the trolley. I drove here. Oh. Strong wind. I forgot I drove here. That's how tired I am. Oh, the trolley's running. But I don't need to take a trolley. Later when I come again, I will. So this semester, I don't have too much finals, just a lot of final projects. So I decided to get a head start. I'm really trying my best not to do last minute again, because that hit me hard many times in the past. I should graduate from SDSU, hopefully 2020. In 2020, I'll be 29. I really hope that I'll have my bachelor's by the time I turn 30 years old. It took me over 10 years to get my bachelor's. I wonder how long will it take me to get my master's if I become a graduate student. I would like to, it depends. But I'm getting too old for school. By the time I get my PhD, maybe I'll be 80 years old. I'm a slow learner. It's cold. Summer, I miss you. Once school is over, I'm pretty sure all of you will be really glad that you're not going to see any more of these school vlogs from me. Oh, it's raining hard again. I need to get back to my car. Okay, I gotta be careful. I don't want to enter the wrong neighborhood again. I remember that happened Halloween and I thought Michael Myers took my car.